Start with a magic circle and chain 3. This chain 3, it won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 16 treble crochets into this circle. Yarn over twice, insert hook into the circle and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and lastly yarn over and pull through the last 2. Now continue with the stitches. Make 16 treble crochets. Once you're done, pull up this loop to close the gap and make a slip stitch on top of the first treble crochet. Next on, chain 3 and 1 single crochet into the next stitch, chain 3, 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches, chain 3, 1 single crochet into the next stitch, make the last chain 3. Now here, instead of making the single crochet into the treble crochet, make the single crochet into this chain 3 space, the first chain 3 space. Total, you should have 16 chain 3 spaces. Next on, 1 single crochet is already made over here. Make 1 double crochet, 1 treble crochet, yarn over twice, chain 3 picot, chain 3, and insert hook into the bottom stitch, this one, and insert hook into both the loops and make a slip stitch. That's one chain 3 picot. With this method, you'll have a neat finish. Chain 5 picot, chain 5, and make a slip stitch into the bottom stitch. Insert hook into both the loops. Chain 3 picot, chain 3, and make a slip stitch into the bottom stitch. One double crochet into the same space, and finally finish it off with a single crochet. Into the next chain space, make a slip stitch, and into the next chain space, we'll repeat this set of stitches. Start with 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 treble crochet, yarn out twice, pull through 2, pull through 2, and lastly pull through 2. Chain 3 picot, 1, 2, 3, and make a slip stitch into the bottom stitch, both the loops. Chain 5 picot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make a slip stitch into the bottom stitch. Chain 3 picot and make a slip stitch into the bottom stitch. One double crochet, lastly 1 single crochet, and into the next chain space make a slip stitch. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. Make the set of stitches over here. Single crochet, double crochet, treble crochet, chain 3 picot, chain 5 picot, chain 3 picot, one double crochet, one single crochet, and a slip stitch into the next chain space. Make the last set of stitches. And lastly, make a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet and weave off your yarn. Total you should have 8 points. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.